In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a banner image to your YouTube channel. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and open up YouTube Studio. Then what you're going to do is simply select customization. Next, come to upload, and you can see the upload limits that you currently have. So your banner must be 2448 by 1152 pixels, and it needs to be 6 MB or less. So from here, once you go ahead, you've created your banner successfully, you're going to choose the option upload. Then go ahead and select your image and adjust it to your liking. So you can see how it looks like currently right now. So this is available on all devices. This is how it looks like on desktop, and this is how it looks like on TV. So if you're fine with how it looks like and the adjustments that you've made are okay, just select done to apply the changes. And then remember to choose publish so that they're applied across your whole channel. And then when you view your channel, you should be able to see the changes applied. If you don't see them happening immediately, just give your channel a couple of maybe 1 hour, and by then the changes should be successfully applied. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.